Alexander and the Wind-Up Mouse by Leo Lionni. Help! Help! A mouse! There was a scream, then a crash. Cups, saucers, and spoons were flying in all directions. Alexander ran for his hole as fast as his little legs would carry him. All Alexander wanted was a few crumbs, and yet every time they saw him, they would scream for help or chase him with a broom. One day, when there was no one in the house, Alexander heard a squeak in Annie's room. He sneaked in, and what did he see? Another mouse. But not an ordinary mouse like himself. Instead of legs, it had two little wheels, and on its back there was a key.
Who are you?
Asked Alexander.
I am Willie, the Wind-Up Mouse, and his favorite toy. They mind me, make me run around in circles. They cuddle me, and at night I sleep on a soft white pillow between the doll and a woolly teddy bear. Everyone loves me.
They don't care much for me, said Alexander sadly. But he was happy to have found a friend. Let's go to the kitchen and look for crumbs, he said.
Oh, I can't,
said Willie.
I can only move when they wind me up, but I don't mind. Everybody loves me.
Alexander too came to love Willie. He went to visit him whenever he could. He told him of his adventures with brooms, flying saucers, and mousetraps. Willie talked about the penguins, the woolly bear, and mostly about Annie. The two friends spent many happy hours together.